Hi, I'm Melanie from Melanie Shore Yoga, and today we're going to be learning how to do Utthita Parsvakonasana, which is also called extended side angle pose. So you want to stand in the center of your mat with your mat horizontal. You're going to bring your legs a little bit wider than 1 meter. If you're tall, you're going to bring them even more further apart. You're going to turn your right foot out, keep your left foot forward. Your hips should be forward facing straight. You're going to breathe in and bring your right arm up. Breathe out. You're going to bend your right knee and put your right hand next to your right foot on the outside. Make sure that your knee is directly underneath your ankle so you don't hurt your knee. You're going to breathe in and bring your left hand up. Breathe out, left hand is in front of you, look to your palm. Make sure your left shoulder is down, not up at your ear, or you're going to hurt your neck. It should be down. And if you have neck problems and it hurts to look at your hand, you can keep your head in neutral. You should feel this building strength in your leg. It's also opening up your hip. If you can't put your hand on the floor, on the mat, you can use a block, or you can use 2 blocks, as many blocks as you need. If it's still difficult for you, you can put your arm on your leg like this and bring your arm here. When you're finished, you're going to breathe in and come up, and breathe out. You're going to change feet, and you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy doing this at home.